Hi everyone, Melissa here from RC King, www.rc-king.co.za. Another video from us of what's in the box, and today it's the HSP 1 in 10 drift car. Right, so I'll show you the car first. That's how it comes. The box comes with a transmitter, comes with a charger, it comes with the manual and all bits and pieces in there, and then I'm going to show you the inside. Gently there, and it comes with battery, and that's what it looks like. Right, hope you enjoyed that video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Please like and share this, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye.